Hello guys, welcome back to yet another vlog. Today is a very special day. We are going to install tail tidy in not one, not two, but three bikes. Yes, you heard that right. It's three bikes. One will be my Duke 390, one will be a Gixxer 150 SF, and the last one will be the Bajaj Dominar. So I guess this vlog will come out in three parts. So we'll name this series as a tail tidy crew. So this will be the part one, and you can click on the I button up there to watch the second and third part. So let's just cut the talking and get to work. So first up is the Duke 390. As you can see, this already has a tail tidy, but we're installing the new one. So let's get started. So we have finished the installation on the Duke 390 and it's looking pretty dope, better than the previous one. So I think I'm gonna sell the previous tail tidy. Those who live in and around Mumbai can contact me on my email ID if you want the old one. I'll just show you the old one. So this is the old one. So yes, this is how the Duke 390 is looking. So we'll end this vlog over here and we'll continue with a new vlog with a new bike. See you.